Singh, and this is my week 9 Excel solution. So yeah, I'm in tutorial number H13A, and let's get started. So first what we want to do is obviously save the file as a Excel workbook, and then let's create a scatter plot. So to do that, we just highlight the data, go insert, click scatter plot, and then we have our chart here. And now obviously this could do with some labeling, so we can do like monthly revenue by advertising spent, for example. Ideally, you'd want to insert some axis titles for your horizontal and vertical axis. So the horizontal axis, let's call that your advertising spend, and the y-axis, the dependent variable, would be monthly revenue. Now we can improve the graph by playing around with the limits of the data. So if we go format axis, we can go minimum as say 400 and keep the max as 2000. And if we go to the vertical axis, we can keep minimum as, let's say, 7,000 and keep the max as 15. So we use up more of the graph. And then to add a trend line, we select the data points and go add trend line, and then you can format the trend line accordingly. So yeah, this is just like a basic scatter plot. Now what we want to do is run a linear regression analysis. So in the data tab, under data analysis, we click regression. You want your independent variable in the y-axis, so that's monthly revenue, and your dependent on the x. We want to put this in a new worksheet. So cool, add this in a new worksheet, and we'd want to copy our chart, scatter plot, and put it sort of underneath this, so you can put on the next to it. And now we want to print the regression output and the scatter plot on the same page. So here it's kind of messy. It's in two different pages. We can make the margins wide. We can make this landscape, but ideally if you click scale to fit here, it'll put everything in one page. So that's what you want. And you can save this as a PDF by clicking this button and then just saving it as PDF. Cool, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening.